In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of video backgrounds not playing on mobile in your Wix site. This is a common problem that many users encounter, but luckily it's a super easy fix that can be done in just a few seconds. Let's dive into how you can ensure your beautiful video backgrounds are as dynamic on mobile as they are on desktop. The issue we often come across is this. On our desktop version, we see our video background playing flawlessly. It gives our design that modern, engaging feel we're aiming for. However, when we switch over to the mobile view, it's a different story. The video isn't playing, which can be really frustrating, especially after putting in all that effort to make your site look perfect. So let's resolve this. Start by going into the Wix editor and switch to the mobile version of your site. At this point, you should see the layout as it would appear on a mobile device. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the actual video background that's giving you trouble. You might see a row of white icons pop up at the top. Look for the one labeled Background. It's the very first option in that row. Now, when you click that Background button, a new menu will pop up. Here, you should see an option that says Play Video on Mobile. This is essentially the magic switch that you need to toggle to resolve the issue. Just go ahead and toggle that on. What this does is enable your video to play on mobile devices, just like it does on desktop. Once you've done that, it's always a good idea to preview your site. Go ahead and hit the preview button, and this time, take a look at the mobile version specifically. If you followed the steps correctly, you should now be able to see your video playing exactly as it should. No more static images, only smooth, dynamic video, exactly like you envisioned. Pretty easy, right? And it truly is as simple as that. In just a few moments, you can enhance the mobile experience of your site visitors significantly. By making this quick adjustment, you ensure that your site remains engaging and visually appealing across all devices. So, whether your visitors are on the go with their phones or checking out your site from their computers, they'll see it just as you intended. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this quick fix helps you in creating that seamless cross-device experience you're aiming for. Keep creating and enjoy making those beautiful Wix sites. See you